Could a giant monster, like Godzilla, actually be real? Let's put this movie titan on the science scale and find out. First up, let's talk size. There's a cool rule in science called the square cube law. Here's the simple version. When you make something bigger, its volume and weight grow way faster than its strength. So if you double Godzilla's height, he doesn't just get twice as heavy, he gets 8 times heavier. That's like stacking 8 Godzillas on top of each other. Can his legs handle that? Let's look at his bones. A tiny lizard has thin little legs, which are perfect for its weight. A massive T-Rex had much thicker, stronger leg bones to support its heavy body. But Godzilla is hundreds of times bigger than a T. If he tried to stand on land, the sheer pressure would be immense. His bones would need to be ridiculously thick and strong, far beyond anything we see in nature. Even the biggest animal on Earth, the blue whale, needs water to support its colossal weight. On land, its own body would crush its skeleton. So, for Godzilla, our balance meter is definitely tipping into the UHO zone. Bigger bodies need much thicker legs, and Godzilla's just don't measure up to the physics. And what about that atomic fire plant? To breathe fire, you need 3 things: a fuel source, oxygen, and a spark to ignite it, while some critters can produce chemicals. None can store a highly flammable substance and shoot it out in a controlled, fiery blast. And that iconic roar, a sound that loud would release an incredible amount of energy. Not just breaking windows, but possibly damaging the ears of anyone nearby. It's awesome in movies, but in reality, that's pure movie magic. So, who are the real-world giants? On land, elephants are champs. If we go back in time, dinosaurs like the T-Rex. But the undisputed heavyweight champion of all time is the blue whale, living in the ocean. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car, and it can hold its breath for up to 90 minutes. These animals are perfectly adapted for their massive size and their environment. So, what did we learn? The square cube law shows that extreme size creates impossible weight. Bones have limits, and balance is tricky for land giants. And fire breathing is a fantasy. Science explains why awesome monsters like Godzilla get to stay on the big screen, where they can be as huge and powerful as our imaginations can handle. Thanks for exploring the science behind the monster with us. If you loved this, smash that subscribe button for more cool facts. See you next time!